VCX, Fundrise Innovation Fund, will create millionaires.
My savages! Money man in the thing of a T and playing no games. Should already know my name when I speak in CC Flame. Got my YouTube poppin', man. Like, subscribe, and everything in between. You already know. Money man. You already know.
Welcome back to another episode of Brown Time Opulence, man, and I got a treat for y'all. I'm telling you, VCX by Fundrise. Wall Street has locked regular investors out of the best tech companies until now. VCX is Fundrise Innovation Fund going public on the stock market. It gives everyday investors access to private AI and tech giants, companies that normally only billion-dollar VC funds can touch. No lockups, no carry interest, daily liquidity. This might be the biggest investing opportunity most people ignore. Most millionaires are made before companies go public. The problem? Regular investors aren't allowed in. VCX changes that. It gives public investors access to private tech, AI, space, unicorns without million-dollar minimums. VCX is a public stock that lets everyday investors own pieces of elite private tech companies like OpenAI and SpaceX without million-dollar minimums or decade-long lockups. I'm telling you, this thing is about to create the next millionaires, man. Why VCX matters. Private companies are staying private longer. Most innovation is happening outside the stock market. Public investors can't touch it. VCX is trying to bridge the gap. In 2025, $425 billion went into private tech. Only $19.6 billion raised via tech IPOs. That's a 22x imbalance. And you can see right here, man, I'm already on Fundrise. Fundrise is basically like a real estate investing app or company that you can download on Android or Apple, or you can even get it on desktop. And you can see this is the Innovation Fund. I'm already in the Innovation Fund, man. I've been in the thing since 2023. Back in October, I dropped $50 on it. As you can see right now, my net contributions is only $122.76. Money man, why you ain't dropped too much more on there? Yeah, hold on, calm down, hold your horses. Money man about to get and drop a bag in here. I'm telling you right now, man. But you see my net return over these last 3 years right now is at $97.07. It's just catching on. Like I said, this thing is brand new to a lot of people, and a lot of people still don't know about it. That's why I'm bringing it to y'all. But y'all see the proof right here, man. The value I got right now is at $219.83 as we speak, and it's just gonna keep growing. Because I'm telling you, the more you invest, the more and the bigger return you have the potential to get. You know, everything come with a risk. But I'm telling you right here, this is live. This is real. I'm on it and I'm in it, and you seeing it right here. And just to show y'all, if you want to jump in, I got a link down in the description. If you want to download Fundrise or you want to make an account on Fundrise, use my link to sign up. Now we got a breakdown of what's going on with this innovation fund. You got late stage company, mid stage company, early stage company, and the IPOs. And you can see the venture 86% is in the late stage, 5.9 is in mid stage, early stage is 4.5, and the IPO is 3.4. And these just a couple of companies that are in this innovation fund: Handshake, Intercom, Epic Games, SpaceX, OpenAI, Databricks, Canva. Then you got 23 of them, Venta and Ramp. All these right here companies that you can't get your hands on publicly through the stock market are going to be in this innovation fund that's coming to y'all next month in March. And I'm telling you, man, I'm so excited for it. Now, what makes VCX different from normal funds? I'm trying to break it down simple so y'all can understand it. As you can see right here, this little graph, this little chart right here, we got VCX is no minimum on a traditional venture capital fund. You got to pay, you got to have up $250,000 to $1 million. You got daily liquidity, you got a zero carry interest, and you got a 1.8 to 2.5% fee and access to everyone, just not the institutions. And VCX could trade at a premium. They believe VCX could trade 100% to 500% above the NAV because of scarcity, demand, liquidity, no carry, and brand positioning. Just think about it. The growth is potentially 193%. Compared to the S&P 500 at 13% and the Qs at 25%, that is enormous. But yeah, you do got risk. VCX is not risk-free. Main risk could trade below NAV. Private companies' valuation can drop. No guarantee from premium pricing. Tech downturns hit VC the hardest. A 5 to 7% discount on the NAV. Fundrise plans to go public with this venture capital fund next month in March. Right now, VCX has quarterly redemptions, holds 20 to 25% in cash to handle withdrawals. Going public and eliminates cash drag, improves returns, let investors sell anytime on the market, puts liquidity control in your hands, not the funds. Why VCX could be a millionaire making opportunity. The real wealth is being made before the IPOs. Most millionaires aren't created buying the apple at $3 trillion. They're created by getting into companies early, letting time plus scale do the work. Examples: Amazon pre-2000, Google's early 2000, Tesla pre-mainstream. Today, those gains are happening in private markets, not public ones. VCX gives public investors access to their zone. Private tech is where explosive growth lives. Public markets are mature. Private markets are AI, defense tech, space, infrastructure, software, fintech rails. That's why $425 billion flowed into private tech and only $19.6 billion into tech IPOs. That imbalance is unsustainable. VCX is positioned exactly where pressure builds. This is public venture capital, a new asset class. This is the sleeper concept most people miss. VCX is trying to become the QQQ of private tech. If that happens, ETFs, pensions, institutions chase it. Liquidity increases. Premium to an NAV becomes possible. Earlier holders benefit, but you do have a risk. The downside is 5 to 70%, but I'm gonna tell you right now, this is not financial advice. 5 to 7% compared to the potential on the upside is 2x, 5x, 10x over time. If VCX becomes the gateway to private tech, up to 193%. Millionaires are made by owning what others can't. This is psychologically wealth truth. Most people buy what's obvious, buy late, sell early. Wealthy people buy what's hard to access, hold that's misunderstood, wait, while others doubt it. VCX checks all those boxes. I'm telling you right now, man, I'm up 43.7% on the little bit I do got, and you don't want to miss out. So that link will be down in the description if you want to join Fundrise and get in before it hits the stock market next month. Now, I need y'all to hit that like button, subscribe, and share, and tell your friend about Brown-Time Opulence, man, because I'm bringing this news right here. I ain't seen nobody else do it, so you're going to get it exclusively right here. And you don't want to miss the next video where, man, we break down a VCX millionaire case study scenario where we take $1,000 investing into VCX for the next 10 years and let it compound. You don't want to miss it.
My savage, money main and the thing of a T and playing no games. Should I already know my name when I speak NCC flame. Got my YouTube popping, man. Like, subscribe, and everything in between. You already know money, man.